What is up, beautiful people of the universe? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say a huge thank you to the people who, or for those who have checked out my makeup transformation I did the other day, or last week. It made me really, really happy and I had so much fun doing it. Today I kind of want to hop on here and do like a tutorial on eyebrows, if you couldn't tell already from the title of this video, because a lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows. Obviously right now they're not done. I actually chop off a little bit of my eyebrows because I am a drag entertainer, so I like to like chop off half it because I don't like to save time doing my brows. I don't like to sit here and cover up my eyebrows, okay? And these are brows that you could do like on an everyday basis. Like it's not a drag brow at all. It's like literally the brow that I would do if I was going out, you know? So without further ado, let's just jump into this video, like, because I will ramble and just keep on talking. I don't do my eyebrows every day. I think it's unnecessary for me personally, so I'm not trying to read anybody out there. I'm just saying that like I don't do my eyebrows every day. I typically go out looking like this. I will have my hair lined up and stuff, but you know, my brother's, he faking on me right now. But anyway, my brother's a barber, so he lines my hair. And my sister, she does hair too. She braids my hair, so I'm actually kind of got it made. That was a big ass tangent. It has nothing to do with this video, so let's get back onto it. So, damn. Okay, so now that you're up close and personal, the first step to achieving a snatched ass brow is having faith. Because if you don't have faith, it's gonna be hard for you to envision how your brow's gonna look. You have to envision it. You have to say, bitch, this brow right here is about to be laid. And once you have that mentality, you're already halfway there. The next step you're gonna need is either a brow gel, a brow pencil, or honestly like an eyeshadow. I'm going to take this angled brush here, if you guys can see. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills angled brush. It's a number 12 brush. Number 12 brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some the MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. It could be any, bitch, it could be water. You can lick it, it'll be fine, but I'm just gonna spray it with this. And once I spray my brush with this, I'm gonna go ahead and just start to brush or comb my eyebrows up, because we want our eyebrows to be arched up to Jesus, because Jesus takes the wheel when we need him the most. I promise I'm not here to push religion on you guys. I say things like that, so obviously believe what you want to believe in. The reason why we brush our brow up is because we want to make sure we can see where the bottom of our eyebrow is. You know what I mean? Usually I'll have hair in here, but I pluck that. Like I have a little bit there now, but it's not as prominent as it normally would be. So to go in for brows today, since yeah, like I said, I don't really have like a brow product that I gravitate towards the most. I just use like either like an eyeliner or an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna dip into my trusty dusty James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm gonna get a color out of there. Okay. Here, and I don't know the name of it because I don't have the little paper it came with, but I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush into that. Dip, 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 dip. I sprayed my brush with MAC Fix Plus already, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray it again. And then I'm just gonna go ahead, and the reason why I spray it because it makes the product, the eyeshadow, a little bit more like a liner. And oh fuck, bitch, I'm trying to do my back, and ooh, bitch, I almost knocked over my whole ass mirror. And I hope you guys. What's up guys, how you doing? I am so sorry, I just had to jump away really quickly because I'm editing the video right now, and I can totally notice that the part where I'm actually filling in my brow, I'm like down here, and I apologize for that. I'm so sorry. That is like the most important part of the video. All I did was I took my eyebrow pencil, I put it inside of the eyeshadow, and I went under my brow. I carved it out, did the same thing on top, and then I kind of filled in the middle with brush strokes. That's all I did. The rest of it is on camera, but I just want to get on here and just say like, my bad. I'll see you guys later. Bye. And I'm back. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing with my eyebrow. So I'm taking that color from the James Charles palette. I wet my brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start underlining my brow. So I'm gonna trace from the bottom. Now, typically, this is like I'm doing my eyebrows with eyeshadow, so honestly, like, these won't last forever. If you want your eyebrows to like stay on like all night, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you do, I would recommend using like a pomade or something that's a little more tacky, and then you can also go over that with a shadow. So this is what I do. If you want something quick, if you want something, if you're not rubbing your eyebrows or sweating a lot, this will work for you. But if you want something that's gonna last all day and be like full coverage and be like on there, I recommend using like a dip brow from Anastasia or an eyeliner or something that's gonna give you a little bit more of a grip. You know what I mean? Because this is just a shadow, and it's going over hair. So cool, that's done. So now what I'm gonna do is, now this is the step that I kind of want to give a little tip on. A lot of people like to take a concealer that's lighter than their skin tone, like a highlight shade. For example, this Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Deep. Obviously this is really, really bright, so if I wanted to carve out my brow, I could use this and it'll work. It'll give me a nice highlighted effect. But if you are not wearing a full face of makeup, it can kind of look a little weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use something a little closer to my actual skin tone. Whether that be a foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15, a foundation. There's also this is a ColourPop No Filter concealer, and this is in the shade what shade is this? Dark 56. I take it, I go ahead and I do this so I get the product on it, and then I carve out my brow. Let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see. Right here, I want to take that and I'm literally gonna just go up under here. You see that? You know what I mean? You see that? And obviously it's still light, but it's not like terrible. You know, and I literally take my finger, literally. Now if you want, you can do the same thing to the top, but if you want this to look more natural, I wouldn't go on the top because that's gonna just make it look a little way too sharp. So the brows are on, and yeah, girl, they are snatched. Now listen, this is how, so the reason why I use a dark concealer that's close to my foundation color is because I didn't really want a huge brow highlight. Now I could keep like this, like that's not that bad, but what I like to do if that highlight is a little bit too much is I'll go in with like a makeup wipe and I'll just like wipe it off. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it like this. Hold on, let's go back up.
Put my hair a little bit.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. This is something quick and easy to do. Makeup is fun. You don't have to really like use a brow product for your eyebrows. I like to use mix and match different types of things. Obviously brow products are meant for your brows, so they probably work a little bit better. I just want to show you guys what I do because I feel like it works. I get compliments on my eyebrows all the time. You know what I mean? And this technique works for drag brows as well. So if you're gonna cover up your eyebrows, you can still draw them in with eyeshadow, and then just to like kind of give yourself like a stencil, and then go back in with an eyebrow pencil or an eyebrow pomade and fill that in as well to set it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it. I have so much more coming for you guys. I did a poll on Instagram a couple weeks ago asking what look you guys want to see. I was inspired by the elements. I was like water or fire, and I did the poll and fire did end up winning, which was very exciting. I actually filmed that video last weekend. However, all hell broke loose and my camera died. I lost some footage. My makeup was falling everywhere. Murphy's Law, if something can go wrong, it definitely will, and that's what happened. So I hope you guys enjoyed the way I snatched these eyebrows, and please let me know if you try it yourself. You know what I mean? Do you like the way I did it? Do you guys recommend anything different? Because I love these brows. They pop in. Bitch. You should see me in a crowd. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I can't talk. I don't know why I can't talk. Okay. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the love and y'all coming back. I got some more stuff coming for you guys, so stay tuned. And yeah, until next time, bye. I am such a fucking mess, you guys. I can't deal with myself. Sometimes I can't even deal with my own damn self. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know. Bye.